Kia just got even more slick and comfortable with FH Group's UltraFlex neoprene seat covers custom fit for your Kia Forte. In this video, we will show you all the steps for a simple install. The front set has 7 pieces and offers 2 backrest covers, 2 bottom seat covers, 2 headrest covers, and a center console cover. The rear set has 3 pieces and includes 2 backrest covers, offering 60-40 split, as well as built-in headrest covers, and a solid bench seat bottom cover. Begin by disconnecting the original factory seat flap from the back side of the front seats. More on that later. Now stretch the seat cover bottom over the seats. Feed the buckle straps through the crevice to the back side. Make sure to tuck the fabric in and secure the fabric around the seat firmly. From the back side, grab the straps, stretch them underneath the seat bottom, and slide them to the front. From the front, reach for the straps under the seat and pull them toward you and over the metal bar used to adjust your seat back and forth. Then connect them together with the buckle clips. Adjust, tighten, and secure under the seat. Next, remove the front seat headrests and stretch the backrest covers over the seats. Make sure to pull down firmly for a secure fit. Then insert the hook and loop straps through the crevice of the seat bottom and tuck the fabric in. Reconnect the flap underneath the seat bottom. Pull and stretch the straps under the flap and fasten them to the back side. Then fasten the backrest cover to the seat using the hook and loop adhesive strips on the back side of the cover, and fasten the fabric to the seat. Now tuck the fabric under the headrest base. Reinsert the headrests and slip on the headrest covers. Next, open the trunk and release the right and left levers to fold down the rear sections of the bench seats. Then slip the backrest covers over each section of the rear backrests, making sure to stretch the fabric down firmly over the non-removable headrests and around the length of the backrests. Next, insert the hook and loop straps of each section through the crevice to the back side. From around the back side, grab and pull the straps firmly away from the crevice and fasten to the back side. Now unroll the cover with the adhesive side and fasten it to the seat to secure the cover in place. Then push the seats into an upright position. Next, release and pop up the rear bench seat bottom by pulling upward on both right and left sides. The metal clips on the seat bottom will pop up from the plastic inserts and free the seat. Now you will notice that the back side of the rear bench bottom cover has 4 large elastic loops and 1 long strap. This strap will be fed through the loops and connected to the buckle clip on one side. On the other side are 7 hook and loop straps that will be inserted into the crevice and fastened to the inside of the upholstery. First, stretch the seat cover bottom over the bench bottom. Line up the cutouts with the seat controls and begin to insert the hook and loop straps into the crevice and cutout areas, tucking the fabric in along the way. Now reach under the seat bottom or flip the seat bottom upward against the backrest and begin to secure the cover to the underside. Feed the strap through the elastic loops and connect it to the buckle clip on the other end. Then adjust, tighten, and secure the cover to the seat bottom. Now place the bench seat back into position and firmly pop it back into place. That's it! Now you can ride in style and comfort with your newly installed and stylishly innovative, custom fit UltraFlex neoprene seat covers.